In today's kidney beans and corn salad, we emphasize the importance of not eating food too hot or too cold. Food should not be eaten very hot or very cold. This is from the Counsels for the Church, page 224, paragraph 5. Serving salad at room temperature ensure that they are easy on your digestive system, allowing the body to process them smoothly and effectively. If the food is very cold, it forces the stomach to extend extra energy to bring the food to suitable temperature for digestion, which can be both uncomfortable and taxing to the entire system. Similarly, very hot food can irritate the sensitive tissues of the mouth, the throat, and the esophagus, potentially leading to discomfort and inflammation. Therefore, today enjoy this simple yet nutritious salad as part of a balanced diet, keeping in mind the benefit of moderate food temperature for optimal digestion and wellness.